Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today we are going to solve some problems of your NCERT book of chapter tens and hundreds. So come to the first problem. Number 1, money from different countries. Here you can see a chart. First column is country name, next money, next change into Indian rupees. So different names, name of the countries are there. Korea, name of the money is won, change into Indian rupees 0.04. Sri Lanka, rupee 0.37. Nepal, rupee 0.63. Hong Kong, dollar 5.10. South Africa, rand, its equivalent Indian money is 5.18. China, yuan 5.50. UAE, dirham 10.80. USA, dollar 39.70. Germany, euro 58.30. England, pound 77.76. So question number 1, the money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees? Now you can see from here the money of which country is cost the most of Indian rupee? It is England. Its equivalent Indian rupee is 77.76. So your answer will be England. Next, question number B. Mithun's uncle in America had sent him 10 USA dollars as a gift. Mithun used 350 rupees for a school trip. How much money was left with him? So we have to find out what is the equivalent Indian rupee of 10 USA dollars. As we know, the USA dollar equivalent, 1 USA dollar equivalent Indian rupee is 39.70. So 10 USA dollar, 10 USA dollars equals to 10 into 39.70. 10 into 39.70 rupees, that is 397 rupees. 397 rupees. Now Mithun used 350 rupees for school trip. Mithun used 350 rupees for school trip. So how much money is left with him? So amount of money, therefore amount of money left with him, 397 minus 350 rupees, which is equals to 47 rupees. So how much money is left with him? 397 minus 350, that is 47 rupees. Next, number C. Majid's father is working in UAE. He gets 1000 dirham as salary. Arun's father, who is working in Sri Lanka, gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. Who gets more Indian rupees as salary? So Majid's father's salary in Indian rupee. At first calculate Majid's father's salary in Indian rupees. How much he get? 1000 dirham. Now 1 dirham equals to where? UAE dirham 10.80. So 1000 dirham, that is 1000 into 10.80 rupees equals to, so multiply by 1000, that is point will shift 3 digits to the right. So 1, 2, we have to take another 0. So 10800 rupees, that is 10,800 rupees. Similarly, Arun's father's salary in Indian rupees. Arun's father's salary, Sri Lankan rupee, 1 Sri Lankan rupee 0.37. So 2000 Sri Lankan rupee, that is 2000 into 0.37, which is equals to, now if you multiply, you will get 740 rupees. 740 rupees. Now we can check easily. Majid's father's salary in Indian rupees is 10,800 rupees and Arun's father's salary in Indian rupees is 740 rupees. So who gets more? Majid's father gets more. So answer is Majid's father gets more. Majid's father get more salary in Indian rupee. Now on to the next point, next problem, number D. Lina's auntie brought a present for her from China. It cost 30 yuan. Find what it cost is Indian rupee. Now China, 1 yuan equals to 5.50 Indian rupee. So 30 yuan, we have to find out what is its equivalent Indian rupee. So cost in Indian rupee, cost of gift in Indian rupee equals to 30 yuan, that is 30 into 5.50. 30 into 5.50 rupees. So you will get 165 rupees. 165 rupees. Now come to the next point, number E. Astha wants some Hong Kong dollars and won. Number 1, how many won can she change for rupees 4 and for rupees 400? Number 2, how many Hong Kong dollars can she change for rupees 508? So, first of all, how many won can she change for rupees 4? Okay, so Hong Kong dollar 5.10 and won Korea 0. It's equal 1 won means 0.04 rupee. So how many won can she change for rupees 4? So number 1, so amount of won amount of won can aska change for rupees 4 equals to 4 divided by 0.04 won, which you will get what? If you remove the point, you will get 100 here, as there is 2 digits after point. So 4 out, so you will get 100 won. Result is 100 won. Similarly, for rupees 400, so amount of won for rupees 400 equals to 400 divided by 0.04 won. Similarly, you will get 10,000 won. 10,000 won. Now come to the next point, number 2. How many Hong Kong dollars can she change for rupees 580? Now you can see 1 Hong Kong dollar means 5.10. So we have to find out for rupees 580 how many Hong Kong dollars are there. So amount of Hong Kong dollars, number 2, amount of Hong Kong dollars can change equal, not to write, amount of Hong Kong dollars for rupees 580 equals to 580 divided by 5.10. 5.10. So just remove the point here, multiply with 100 here. So 0 cut, so 5080 divided by 51. Now if you divide, you will get 99.6078 ... So for rupees and paise, we will take only 2 digits after decimal. So we have to round off it. Now the third digit is 7. It is greater than 5. That's why we will take its equivalent Hong Kong dollar is 99.61 Hong Kong dollar. 99.61 Hong Kong dollar. Now we have to do some homework. Number 8. The temperature in each city was noted at 3 p.m. on 16th January 2008. Now you can see the city, name of the city, temperature at 3 p.m. are given. Chennai 29.9 degrees centigrade, Mumbai 35.1 degrees centigrade, Thiruvananthapuram 33.5 degrees centigrade, Kolkata 26.6 degrees centigrade, Bhopal 25.9 degrees centigrade, Srinagar 8.1 degrees centigrade, Guwahati 24.8 degrees centigrade, Jaipur 23.2 degrees centigrade. Question number 1. Which place had the highest temperature at 3 p.m.? Which place is the coolest at that time? Number 2. how much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that in Srinagar? Number C, 3. How many degrees will the temperature need to rise it to reach 40 degrees centigrade in Thiruvananthapuram? Number 4. How much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from that in Chennai? Next, number 5. The temperature in these cities was also noted at 3 a.m. on the same day. Look at the table and answer the questions. Now you can see the temperature at 3 a.m. on the same places are given. Question number A. Which place had the highest temperature at 3 a.m.? Number B. What is the difference between the temperatures at 3 p.m. and 3 a.m. in Chennai? In Bhopal. Number B. Kiran went shopping with rupees 200. Look at the bill. The shopkeeper forgot to put the point correctly in the prices. Put the point in the correct place and find out the total amount of bill. That you can see item quantity price. Show 1250. No point is given. So you have to put the point correctly and find out the total sum.